This is the 2011 Chateau du Courlat from Lussac-Saint-Emilion in the Right Bank of Bordeaux in France. Neighboring the famed Saint-Emilion region of Bordeaux, Chateau du Courlat also shares a fantastic site climate for Merlot. And this 90% Merlot wine is a beautiful expression of the region with really full, ripe dark fruit character, a broad structure, and really lush, soft textured body. Flavors of black currant, dark plum, and violet share a commonality with Merlot of any high quality internationally. However, there's that really distinct cedar and black dark minerality that make this so iconic to Bordeaux, especially the Right Bank and the Saint-Emilion satellite regions. Given the full body, ripe character, and dark fruit of this wine, it's such a great pairing with grilled and braised beef or lamb, but also with soft ripened cheeses like a classic French brie. Cheers.